Okay, so you have a standard deck of cards. Remember, 52 cards in a deck. Okay, I think I mentioned that. My hair's stuck in my earring.
And anyone's dad told them to do the 52 card pickup and throw the cards on the floor.
Yeah, Pastor Kenny did that to me.
My dad did that to me when I was
I went in his office one day and he was like, "You want to play 52 card pickup?" And I was like, "What's that?"
Yeah, I made the mistake.
Biggest mistake ever.
Yep, same with my dad. He goes.
I was like, "Well, how do you play?" And he goes, "I dropped 52 cards. You pick them up." I was like, "That was rude." Anyways.
It's a little funny, actually.
It was really fun, actually. I played that game.
All right.
It's one of those games you can play by yourself when you have no friends.
So, 52 cards.
That's why I play it.
One card is drawn. Find the probability that you get an ace or a red.
Berkeley, I'm glad you donated me your phone.
So,
Ace or red?
yes, but we are in chapter 15 now.
You add.
These things are no longer mutually exclusive
How is it not mutually exclusive?
because you have 4 suits.
Because when you remove them,
There's an ace through king in every suit. 2 are red, 2 are black. That was really hard. I don't know why that was so difficult.
Oh, my finger doesn't go up all the way.
What?
That was really difficult. I don't know why that was. Anyway, sorry. So that means that 2 of your aces are also red. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Oh, I get that.
1 out of 13.
actually here, look. I can actually do it in color that's accurate. A red circle
Ooh.
I can do it in color that's accurate too.
and a black circle. Oh.
Okay, so it's not as not.
Y'all can have. I have a lot of reds. Does anybody want a red?
Sure, yeah.
Oh, Maddie, I have your favorite kind. Oh, nope, that's not it.
Not it.
Hello?
There's no.
I have them. Hold on.
You know what?
Hold
I
on.
bet you guys can't draw a perfect circle, so.
I can get pretty close.
You had them high.
Shut up, that is pretty close.
Why are there no reds? That's a problem.
Most
You know,
highlighters and pens don't have
Highlighters need to be red. There need to be red highlighters.
Guys, I have, it's not red.
I have lots of
but it's
red
like,
if anybody
it's
wants
called
red.
The wine color.
Does
It is
anybody need
really
red?
Close to red.
No.
Do you want this or do you want like a Sharpie?
I think I want a Sharpie.
Sharpie.
That was
Anybody
pretty
else?
good, the drawing on there.
I don't know.
Isn't
I'm
it
have to
fun?
ask you for
I would
pens like
probably
that
only
again
draw.
for my notes because I now can just
I wouldn't
make
use
the
it.
dots
Like
and
if
they
I
actually
were in
appear.
class and we were doing notes like
You be
this,
drawing?
Oh, that's an oval.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie,
actually
sometimes I
got
draw
like almost the
on
exact
it
same.
and then just erase it.
Like
I
I
would
would
write
still
my notes
have.
on his. I actually asked, like, I couldn't decide if I wanted a MacBook or an iPad for Christmas.
And I love my iPad.
But my mom thought it would be better for me to get a MacBook just because that's what she thought.
I love my iPad.
But I would literally draw on it so much.
That's probably why she got you a Mac.
Yeah.
I love sitting home my thing and drawing.
Alright, so in each, there are 26. But stuff is going to overlap, right?
The aces.
Okay? I'm going to do this specifically for this one, so it's going to be the ace or red. So, how many aces do I have in total? 4. How many reds do I have?
2.
Oh no!
How many reds do I have?
Oh.
26.
26. So there's 26, but I'm taking away how many?
4.
2.
Why?
Oh, because
Because
you
there's
have
only
enough
2 aces.
I don't understand why. I don't understand.
Oh.
There are
Why don't I
4
take out
aces in the
another
deck.
pen to write in a pen that's in a pen. That's a pen
Inside the
that's
pen?
here.
What the heck?
So there's 4 aces, 2 of them are red, 2 of them are black. So if I take those away from all of
So
the...
since the 4's in the middle.
Oh.
I'm basically taking 2 away from the red and 2 from the black, basically. So, 1 card is drawn. Find the probability that it's an ace or a red. So, to do that, we are going to do...
Am I stupid? Oh my
So, there are 26 red, right?
Yeah, it is.
And then there are 2 aces that are black. So 26 plus 2 out of the total 52 or 28 over 52, which comes out to 0.5385.
So how did you know how to be that smart?
You know what wasn't smart? Me this morning. Number 6 on that quiz.
I heard your pre-cal quiz was torture today.
No, everything. I understood everything but number 6. But I did the extra credit, so I hope I get the 2 points and I only get subtract 2 because that question was 4 points.
Yeah, that's what I'm hoping for too.
Because I did the lim things,
The limb?
limitations of in boundaries and stuff.
I heard y'all had a clown poem. That's the creepy.
Bingo, bingo, bongo.
Bobo, Bosco, Botno.
Bingo, bingo,
Bingo,
bongo.
bango, bongo.
It's a game we played last night at volleyball.
I was going to say that's a little bit different, but okay.
I forgot.
Okay, 2 cards are drawn without replacement. Okay, without replacement means that you're not putting them back in the deck after you pull it. So once it's done, it's gone. So once you pull the red king is gone. Red heart king is gone. Okay? So 2 cards are drawn without replacement. Find the probability that both cards are aces.
Would you do okay, wait, give me a second. Okay. So you're gonna do 4 over 52 squared. No, 4 over 52 and 3.
So that's where I said without replacement. So once you take that one out,
Oh, 51.
you're not putting it back.
True. So it'd be 3 out of 51.
So it is still times, but yes, it's going to be 3 out of 51.
Why is it a 3?
Because one of
the
those
aces was already
one of
taken.
those aces.
Because both cards are aces, so we're assuming the first one was pulled was an ace. There was 4 out of 52
Oh.
possibility of pulling an ace on the first one. Then the second one, because we took that ace out, there's only 3 left. The one was missing, so we had to make it out of 51.
51 cards.
So then you multiply this, and you would get 0.0045.
That's a really low
So don't
probability.
try because you don't even have a whole 1% chance of getting it.
Correct.
Oh, jeez.
Imagine being that
Sucks to be
stupid.
you if you're trying to do that.
This is good when you're playing spoons.
I love spoons. that
Well,
you
except for
threw.
spoons, they keep getting passed.
Oh my
I hate
goodness.
spoons.
We played
I play
spoons.
pig instead of
Could
spoons,
not
and it's so
figure it
much
out.
better.
We played spoons at a tournament and someone jumped across the table and attacked.
She said that so like I was like, what? What happened?
Like in the table, it was like one of these tables, like there was 4 of them put together, and she like jumped across it, and I was like, I was on the floor. It was really scary. It was a parrot too.
All right, 5 cards are drawn without replacement. So when it's taken, it's not being put back.
So
Find the probability that all are
I
spades.
don't know how many
Um,
spades.
That can't be. There's
Well,
no
there's
5 spades.
4 suits.
What?
There are 4 suits: clubs, spades, hearts, and
Oh,
diamonds.
this one divided by 52.
I got it.
So there are
13.
13.
52 times 12,
So,
1251, 1150,
You certainly played card
49.
games growing up.
etc., etc.
I'm uncultured, okay?
Correct?
Is this what you said?
Yes.
Yes.
Why are you so smart, Alex? Be dumb.
I'm literally not. I just know my way around the deck of cards.
I don't.
That was so
Yeah,
weird.
that's a little weird, bro.
So this is equal to 0.000495.
That's really, really bad chances.
So the probability that you pull 5 cards and all are spades
So just
is
don't
significantly less than 1%. It's a half a percent.
Is
That's
don't
me.
try
I
any
could
of
do
these things
that.
with a deck of cards because it's literally just not worth it.
It's not even half a percent.
At least when I wanted to get the 50% off, there was at least like a 1% chance. Exactly why we don't.
Aww.
All right, the next one, the probability that it's a heart given that it's red.
So
I'm going
red
to go
heart.
pull up,
Wait, aren't all hearts red?
but not all reds are hearts. I was like-
Owie, my brain. You can't do this to me. I can't.
All right, so the probability of B given that A has occurred
Oh no.
is the probability of A intersect B over the probability of A.
Say what?
Now, this is going to be the chapter where I actually don't know anything because now I feel like crying.
What? Is
That's my brain.
We're about to blow up.
That's my brain trying to process.
Why is the wall making noises?
I literally think it's just this week. I don't know.
Nah, bro, it was over there.
I guarantee it's that glass jar over there.
That's what I was thinking.
What glass jar?
There's a glass mason jar over there.
Put
Oh!
that money in there.
jar!
We could have used that one.
Now we
Okay.
can steal money.
What happened to our jar, by the way?
People could steal money before.
It kind of the table kind of tipped and it kind of fell over.
When did
because
it
some-
got up?
She kind of pushed the table.
And the money came.
Cause
falling
thinking she was gonna go backwards, but rather than her going backwards, table went forwards.
And so you see the jar kind of fell and then it kind of broke and so then
Did
there's
it kind of
glass
break or
on
did
the
it
floor.
shatter?
There was
There
It
glass
kind
on
of
the floor.
broke, and then glass was kind of all over the floor.
Oh, that's lovely.
yeah.
Right about there,
Good thing people wear shoes, right?
most of the time.
Bro, what were you gonna say?
Well, technically we sleep like a lot of the day, and we don't wear shoes when we sleep. So like,
Maybe I do.
And then you're a weird
You're
person.
weird.
I don't
Hello.
wear shoes when I sleep.
the probability of that. How
Sorry.
do you do that?
I'm getting eggs. You guys are giving me
That was so aggressive.
I can't.
Like, it wasn't even like,
Okay,
a soft,
so
eggs.
I just
I love
don't know what I'm doing. It's fine. Okay, one card is drawn. Find the probability that it's a heart, given that it is red. So that would be
So,
Something confusing.
the probability that it is red and a heart over the probability of getting a red.
So I really don't understand.
Is that
Okay.
13 over 52 times 26 over 52 divided by
You're making it more complicated.
There's four.
So how many total reds are there?
13?
There's
Total red.
26.
26. sorry.
26. So the probability of a red, okay, that would be 26.
I did it backwards.
Okay.
Oh, stink.
The probability that it's red and a heart, so it would be yes, okay?
Wait, how'd you get that?
Because there are 13 hearts.
The way they work.
so
You must
20%.
learn.
Hearts
Hearts
are four.
Hearts are always.
There's
What?
4 aces.
Oh,
Four ones, 4
okay.
twos, 4 jacks, 4
Okay.
queens.
Tonight we are gonna go get a deck of cards and I'm gonna let you look at them.
Melcher, do you have a deck of cards? Because I don't have one. Well, actually, I do have, I have Uno
Why do you
emoji.
have a deck of cards in your backpack? That's so
Because
embarrassing.
he does the
Brooke
magic.
might need a tutorial in cards.
Yeah.
So there are
52 in total.
13 red hearts, okay? So 13 out of
It's
26.
50%.
So
Wait,
Someone tell me why
I don't understand how you got that.
13 divided by 26 is 0.5.
No, I understand. No, I
the probability that it's red and a heart is the probability, okay, of basically a heart and a diamond.
How many hearts are there again?
13. There's 13 of each suit.
Do you know?
Hearts.
Okay, so 52 divided
There
by
are,
4
look,
is 13.
there are hearts,
Uh huh.
there are diamonds.
Now you have to switch colors.
Oh gosh. There are, I always, oh, that's not right. Hold on. I'm drawing it upside
There's a
down.
clover one.
Ah!
It's in clubs.
Which one's the club?
Oh my gosh.
I can't. Melcher's gonna have to show you a picture of the other two. It's
Which one's
like
which?
a
I know there's a clover leaf.
Brooke Spades is like I don't know how to explain it. How do you draw those?
I don't know. That's the problem
It's
I'm
like an
having at the
upside down heart
moment.
With like a
Oh,
little
because there's like 4 of each number, right?
13 of heart. Yeah, and then there's 4.
Nah, I don't know what's happening. Okay, well,
Brooke, those are clubs.
anyways.
And then those are spades.
Oh, I get it.
There's 13 in each one, and each number occurs 4 times.
Okay, that's where I was getting my 4 from, by the way. Thank you. I appreciate the assistance.
I can't.
That's-
What is that?
Is this what it
Oh
looks
my goodness gracious.
Is
I
that
don't
what
know.
it looks like?
We're just gonna get rid of all this because I
It's
can't
gonna be
draw
on the
it.
video. Oh no.
This is all
Oh,
on
no,
the
does that mean
video.
everyone's now going to know that I'm an idiot?
Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah. It's okay. This is how you
I'm
draw
gonna
a
rewatch
spade.
this. just
Who
for
watches
fun.
these?
Right.
Nobody watches these.
Oh, for people
Sarah's
who are
gonna watch
actually
them.
watching this person is
Yeah.
actually my
Sarah's
twin
gonna
sister.
watch all of these.
Sarah,
Hi,
I love you and miss you and don't laugh at me.
I guarantee she already has.
Laughing.
Time right now.
Sometimes I get the urge to say things, but then I'm like, I probably shouldn't say that.
All right,
Yeah, sure.
one card is drawn. Find the probability that it's red, given that it's a heart.
It has to be 100%. Right? For it to be red, it has to
Okay,
be.
how about we do the math?
But red is only half the deck.
No, but.
So the probability
Wouldn't it be 100?
that it's red and a heart
I must be wrong.
over the probability that it's a heart.
Wait, why did you?
I think. Yeah.
Wait. Wasn't there a thing where it's like it's always the one in the front is the one on the bottom?
No, it's just.
It doesn't matter, Tater.
It is. I am saying that
How I-
it's 100%.
Mm.
If it's a heart, it's red.
That's what I was thinking, but if
100%.
not, then.
So there are 13 hearts.
And there's and the probability is 13.
26.
So you are right, Brooke. Good job.
I'm so smart. I redeemed myself.
Why'd I put 5 in?
I thought we were completely different problem.
Miss Earhart, Mrs. Quinn, I lied. Do you have any song suggestions for the praise team?
We gave you them.
Bro,
Yeah, I'm just saying,
chill.
like, we need new songs.
Ow.
Please be still.
New
That's-
songs, we can't sing that every week.
Every week.
I know,
Um,
we love it.
Yes,
We can't
after
sing
we're
every
done, I
Okay.
will give you some.
Focus.
I can't.
All right, one card is drawn. Find the probability that it's red or a face card. So, how many reds are there?
13.
How many reds are there?
24. 26.
Oh!
20.
And you left me. You left me for this. This is your fault. This is your fault.
I thought we were about to get shot. Like, what the heck? Y'all just scream, thank you, like you're about to get murdered.
I thought I was. And I realized it was truly scary.
Apparently to them you are. I don't know
I
why.
heard her scream, so I looked over there. I couldn't figure out why she screamed. And then I made eye contact through the door, and it made me like really scared, so I screamed.
I'm sorry. I looked over. I saw the door crack with this like person just standing there.
If anybody is down the hall, they're literally gonna think somebody just died.
Her gaps is what like made me so nervous. Like I wouldn't have screamed if I just saw it.
like a weird
But
face or something?
She gasped,
No,
so I
you're a
looked
very
over.
tall figure that's standing in the door, and like if the door is opening
We're
slowly,
all
I'm a little
black.
scared.
No, like I was trying to scan the room and figure out why she gasped, and then I like made eye contact, and it genuinely scared me.
I was like 26 red. Ah! Like, what the heck just happened?
I didn't mean to scream. I'm sorry. It genuinely scared me so
Well, and then the door was just sitting there, and I was like, did the door just open on its own? Like, what just happened?
I was mainly scared because the door was opening by itself, and then I looked up and I was like,
And her gasp made me nervous, and then I looked over and I couldn't find what she was gasping, and then I saw it, and I was like,
Sarah, it's okay. It was just Chase. We're all good.
I looked over. And I just saw a tall person. I didn't
No
see
need
the
to
face.
call the police.
I got genuinely so scared. Like, I'm telling my heart is racing right now.
mine too. I was so afraid.
I'm
I got scared because y'all screamed.
I
I'm like 26 red. Ah!
It's so funny.
Okay, let's go to you.
I'm sorry.
Okay, the probability that it's red or a face.
26.
Okay, well, we established that there are 26 red. Maddie, don't scream again.
4 face cards.
7, 8, 9,
No.
10.
There are 3 face cards in every suit.
3 times 12.
King,
No,
King,
there's
Queen,
12.
and Joker.
So there are 12 total face
Okay.
cards.
12 over 52.
Can we not have a card
26
example
over
on our-
50.
These are probably the easiest ones.
No,
You're
I
kind
don't-
of sort of close. We're not multiplying though. This is
Adding
an
is
or.
26 over 52.
Why'd you say my name?
I said adding.
Because it's or, it's not
Bruh.
me.
I'm thinking about you, Maddie.
It sounds the same.
It-
Adding Maddie? That's
I'm adding Maddie.
no, don't do that.
I can't.
That was really scary. My heart is still racing.
26 red, 12 total face cards, okay? So if we have in that 26 red, how many of those are face cards?
Wait,
Oh my gosh, Brooke. Chill.
3.
3.
It made me look at the door, bro.
6.
How? Oh, because there's 2 suits of red. I
There's
got it.
2 sets of red, okay? So out of the red, 6 of these are face cards.
Uh-huh.
So how many more face cards are left?
6.
One.
6.
20?
I
Oh,
can't.
face
I'm
card.
not writing
sorry.
that.
I thought you were talking about red.
Oh.
Okay, so there are 6 face cards that are red. Then there are 6 more that are left over. Okay, so 26 plus 6 out of 52.
Uh-huh.
32 over 52.
So 32 out of 52. So that's 0.615.
I
Oh,
wonder.
it says
so
red or a face card.
I have a question. Like, on the quiz, whenever we take this, can we not do a deck of cards? Because I do not. My head. Or if so, I need a deck of cards in front of me because I'm not getting.
Wait,
this.
why is it only 6 of them, and why isn't it like all of them? Does it matter if it's a red face card?
Because
it's a red or-
technically,
6 of them are part of that 26.
you're doing the probability of A, which is 26,
Oh.
plus the probability of B, which is 12. Okay, red face, minus the probability of both. Okay, so the ones that are both are the 6 that are red and a face, so we're subtracting those off.
Red face.
So, but one thing Melcher also brought up that was helpful was that 20 out of the 26 of them, 6 of them are red face cards, so you only have to add the 6 ones that are not red.
Yeah, that's what we did.
Yeah, now I get it. Because I thought we were adding the 6 red face cards to that, and I was really confused.
Oh,
about it.
yeah, no. The leftover face cards.
Yeah.
You know what?
Use it again now.
Are the other examples card decks?
Might be.
I,
One card is drawn. Find the probability that it's red and a face card.
So
Oh,
why is
that's
it?
only 26. Wait, no, what?
So how
No.
many? Okay, hold on. So
that's
look.
It's
12
just
over
6.
52.
Well,
So
it has to be a red
the
face card.
and
Red
scenario. Where is that? And scenario is right here. It's the probability of B times the probability of A given B.
How do I know which one's A and which one's B?
It doesn't really matter.
Well, if it's red and a face card, isn't it just 6 out
Either
of
one of those will
52?
give you the same answer.
Isn't it just 6 out of 52?
Okay.
See, these rules are confusing.
As long as you know how many face cards are red
6.
out of the total amount that you have.
52.
See, that's where I'm lacking right now.
It's okay, Brookie. You just keep writing.
Taylor, do you have a deck of cards at home?
Yes, I will educate
Okay,
you.
like a original deck of
Yes.
cards, not like a fancy
yes,
something.
like a
Okay.
real
Are we
like one.
actually like gonna do cards on our quiz?
We
I
played
might
war
cry.
before, bro.
Okay,
It's
you
on
think
the
I pay
quiz.
attention?
Like
I just
it's
pay
very
attention.
And
possible.
solitaire.
Okay, that doesn't mean I memorized how many cards were in each thing.
Yeah, me either.
Well, it's
It
simple.
just means I know.
I think
how
I'm gonna have to give a quiz on just how many information about decks of cards.
Yeah.
Extra
That is
credit.
easy A. Go ahead, give us one of those.
Yeah, I'm game,
Go
I'm game.
ahead.
We'll just have a pop quiz on information about decks of cards.
Can we also
Two of the
have
jacks have
one
one eye.
and freak out too, just to
It's
boost that
one
grade
eye
from
jack
them?
and a 2-eye
So-
jack.
so
It's
then we
two-
have-
How many jokers are in the deck?
Two.
It's 2 jokers.
I do not.
How out of how many cards?
26.
54.
Because there's 52
54.
minus the jokers.
I'm done.
Well, it's 54.
52
Berkeley-
plus the 2
Berkeley and I-
jokers.
So our grade would go down. Berkeley, we can be partners.
You remember when we
There's-
did
You wanna be partners with someone else who doesn't know about
Oh,
cards?
that was so good. I
Daddy.
love being a partner.
No, you and I are gonna be
Yeah.
partners then.
I love how Melter probably knows the most about cards and nobody wants to be his partner.
That means that he can survive the best on his own.
There's 4
But if anybody wants an easy 100, work with Melcher.
I think
Well, wait. There's an uneven number here right now. 2 and 3.
Hey, Melcher, you want to do a
Already
group
flipped.
quiz?
All right, addition rule. It means or,
Oh my goodness.
union.
Can you
Or-
post this like right as soon as we get out of class because I want to watch it. Like not all of it, but like
When are you gonna put the watch
Specifically the screaming
yes,
part.
I want to see it.
If you watch it, you're
You want to see it, Maddie?
Oh,
You're
I
gonna
wanna
see
see
it.
it.
Yeah.
Actually, I want to go back and relive that moment because it was.
That was scary.
It was scary.
So
but
she
I thought it was
screamed, and then
scary.
I screamed, and then
I
both
like
of you
how
guys.
Everybody screamed except for Melcher.
Wait, Brooke and I looked over because
I didn't-
all
I
of
didn't
Brooke and I
scream, I
could see
just
though is
gasped.
the shoulder of Chase.
Yeah, I thought we were dying.
Person standing there wearing all black, standing, opening the door slowly. I was like, oh my gosh, we're dead.
I was like, you
I
know
was
what?
just like-
We are in dead.
Remember, I was
Okay.
like, I guess Jesus wants me home.
I promise you, I didn't think before I did that.
We noticed, but it's okay.
I mean, I don't think you really had it. Like, it's impulse. to
Like, I
scream
wish I
if
didn't
it's
scream.
scary as happening.
Because that was embarrassing.
I don't typically scream when I get scared.
Me either. That's
I actually
I
just
barely
don't
gasp.
breathe.
I just, yeah. Like
I just
when I'm
go,
in the car. When I'm in the car and my grandma's driving and she does something scary, I'm like,
I close my eyes, and that's really not
and I
good.
just stop breathing.
All right.
I can't remember.
If A and B are disjoint,
That means not mutually exclusive.
means no overlap, then the probability of A union B is equal to the probability of A plus the probability of B. So disjoint, there is no overlap. They were independent, so we can just add them together. When there is overlap, like we saw with this deck of cards, okay, we have to get rid of the overlaps. We have to subtract the intersection where both things occur or it occurs twice.
Oh, wrong color.
Multiplication rule, on the other hand, is an and. And it is an intersection, which is the probability of A intersect B is equal to the probability of A times the probability of B given A. If A and B are independent,
Oh, oopsie.
then the probability of A intersect B is equal to the probability of A times the probability of B.
What was I thinking? Okay.
And then just as a refresher, probability of A given B is the probability of A intersect B over the probability of B.
You know, you say all these fancy words, and half of them I'm like,
You know, in the beginning when you were just saying words that I knew, it was easy to like not be looking
Yeah,
at
like
the board.
bias, I can understand that easily, but
Or-
like,
but and then now you're saying words and they actually aren't words. There's things like letters, and I'm like, oh.
I'm like, oh. Me too, bro.
Is that fake? Never mind.
It says Apple Pencil 100%.
Wait. Why is there a slash? Oh, never mind. It's like, never mind. Don't get started.
It said that when she touched
Oh.
touched the
oh, yeah,
Okay. Go team. We did so good.
yeah.
You know, today we got a lot done.
We.
It was like, why are you looking at
I'm like just
me?
holding it there and you looked at it like 3 times.
Literally, I
Aw.
just wrote A and P, bro.
I'm gonna bonk my head trying to get it.
Got it. Don't do that. What do you go boing?
Alright, here.